yo lo llevo. Yo lo cojo. Yo lo llevo ahora. Ay, no. Ya se bebé, papá.
You should post that.
Pero no te vayas, mira, esta otra vez más.
Ya con este de...
Take aim fire, that's going to be very light. Wow. Wow. That's not good.
You, Peckerwood, something or other, chicken.
Stand by. Two, three, 4, 9. 2, 3, 4, 9.
Thank you.
Any missing?
What a ham. Where is he? Oh! Are you? Are you ready? Stand by! If you are finished, unload, show clear.
So many BBs.
If clear.
Hey guys, I thought I'd share another old pistol with you, an old Colt 38. and it is super old. Still functions though. That's the best part about the whole thing. And the finish is not too bad for as old as it is. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, y'all have a good evening.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Good grab him there.
Look at the glass in the door shattering. The mom takes another shot. Ashley even grabs another pistol.
Suspect was shot when he came in to rob the store.
The robber punches his way through the broken glass. He wrestles with Mom, and then it's Ashley's turn to open fire. It's a life or death struggle. Mom is pistol whipped. Ashley fires again. Then he pulls the trigger on Ashley, firing at point-blank range. By some miracle, the gun is out of ammo.
I wish I could have done something sooner before he did hurt her. I feel bad about that.
The robber falls in a heap, and Mom and daughter flee unharmed. Police came by today to praise Ashley and Tina for their courage.
They are phenomenal, outstanding.
A mom and daughter turn the tables on a gunman holding up their liquor store and opened fire with guns of their own.
Caller's mother shot the suspect, and the caller had to shoot the suspect as well.
I just emptied the chamber. I just kept pulling the trigger and kept pulling and kept pulling and kept pulling.
The drama happened at a family-owned liquor store in Tulsa, Oklahoma. The robber burst in brandishing a sawed-off shotgun. You can see 30-year-old Ashley Lee opening the cash register and putting her hands up. The robber helps himself, then heads out. But Ashley has locked the outside door by remote. That's when Ashley grabs a revolver from under the counter and hands it to her mother, Tina. They both huddle for cover. Then the robber returns and Mom lets him have it. She fires again and again.
I saw him, the rifle, and I pulled my weapon and I shot him. And then I stood up as he was walking out and I shot him again.
Look at the glass in the...
You ready? Stand by. 242.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh no. Hey, what you smoking? Just want to know.